Welcome back, guys. I have lots of new goodies in the shop. So I'm going to share 3 collections from the Doodlebug. Brand new cute stuff. I just listed Stamping Bella, so you'll see a video soon for those stamps. So let's dig in. We've got the barbecue set. We've got a cute little strawberry pin. Isn't that cute? It's got a cute little face. And then we've got the washi tape in the watermelon. Okay, so we've got our odds and ends. We've got Chit Chat and your odds and ends. So you get lots and lots of die cuts in here to play with. So here is the back. You can kind of see all of the images that you get. Lots of cute stuff in there. Picnic baskets, rainbows, hot air balloon, got food, lots of fun stuff. And then this one has all your sentiments. It's got some big sentiments and some banners, speech bubbles, some cute ants. So there's 2 shape sprinkles to go with that collection. Got some cute little ants with hearts, and then your foods. And they all have smiley faces on them. The Doodle Pops, this is the little foodie friends. The sun, and the sun is really pretty. It's enamel around the sun, and the eyes are enamel as well. And then the barbecue. You got your mini icon stickers. You get 2 sheets. Both sheets are different. So the other sheet has the rainbow and some more food. Super fun. And then here is the paper pad. So you got all your cute little designs. I love the gingham. There's some colorful polka dots and stripes to go along with these images. So don't forget about the stamp set. There is the barbecue stamp set. All the images match the paper and the icons. Really cute. There's even a fly. Now we've got our Land That I Love collection. So this has got the red, blue, and white theme going on here. So you got your odds and ends. This collection doesn't have the Chit Chat. You get your Chit Chat mixed in here, so you get your sentiments in there. And then here's the paper pad. Really nice. Everything's scaled down, perfect for card making. You get your matching stickers, which there are 2 different sheets. Really, really cute. Then you get your stamp set. Which is really, really cute. You got Happy 4th of July, so grateful for your sacrifice and service. Please join us. Let's party, wow, and time to celebrate. And then we've got your Doodle Pops and your sticker. You get your washi tape in the stars. Your Doodle Pop sticker. This cute little guy's called Sammy. We've got your sweet treats. And then this one I love, the little cola. That's cute. Your firecrackers. They're really cute. And your little porch posies. There's some striped buttons that you can add for embellishments. And the 2 shape sprinkles we have here. Love You More and Stars and Stripes. And then the baby themed one. So there is another baby one, a boy themed one. So that one will be here in about a week. I have the girl one. It's called Bundle of Joy. So you get your odds and ends. There's 132 die cuts in here. And the images are so sweet. And this is the chit chat. Lots of sentiments. And then the paper pad, the colors are just so pretty and so soft. And the images are so cute. There's 2 stamp sets here. Look at that, how cute those babies are. My sister just had her first baby. And I've got to make her something with this collection. It's a girl, and it's her first baby, and she's 41. So I'm so happy that she was able to have a baby. She always wanted to be a mom, so this is super, super cute. And then we've got the little stickers. So darling. And then this is kind of new. These are chunky brads. This is pastel assortment. So this matches the collection. And then the cute little 3D pops. They're so cute. And the cute shape sprinkles. So we've got Nursery Friends. We've got Bath Time. Snugs and Kisses. And then Baby Girl Assortment. These are the enamel dots. And your cute little characters here. Look at the cute little elephant with the bird, the baby pin, and a heart. Ellie Fun, it's called. This cute little baby's got a bottle and a rattle. It's called Sweet Girl. Snuggle Bunny, cute little stuffed animal. This one's Cloud 9. That's really cute. There's a moon and some stars. Another cute baby. It's called Baby Steps. Out for a Stroll. Cute little baby peeking out of his little, is that a bassinet? And then we've got the Happy Day. Oh, and I forgot this one. This one's really pretty. Sweet Dreams. Cute little clouds and rainbows. This one is called Very Cute. He's very, very cute. So that is what I have for the Doodlebug stuff. I will have the link listed down below in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to check out all the new items. If you click on the top 50, you'll see a lot of new items there. I've been listing things like crazy, it seems like. So if you haven't been to the shop in a while, check it out. There's lots of new stuff to see. So I will catch you guys real soon in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.